Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you one of the iPhone hidden features, and it's the reduce white point. So first, go into the settings and accessibility. Now display and text size and search for reduce white point. This will reduce the intensity of bright colors on your screen. So enable it. As you can see, my screen is much darker. So I'll disable it for now. And it's the game changer for night users of the phone. But remember to disable it when the day comes out, because you won't be able to see as much. So use it only in the night time, or maybe just do a automation for it. The video of how to do it is on our channel. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.